Hello everyone, it's me, Kwon So-wa, with the weather forecast on this Friday, March 29th. I can describe today's weather in 3 adjectives: sunnier, drier, and cooler. Now, due to the influence of high pressure in the west, we'll have clear skies nationwide. But that's not necessarily good news because we need some rain to quench the thirst of the dry atmosphere. Now, meanwhile, temperatures should drop a little bit, with the capital Seoul starting out at the freezing point. So if you're about to head out very early, a thick coat could be necessary. Now, highs should be similar to yesterday, reaching 12 in Seoul, but down south it'll be a little cooler than yesterday, with Gwangju and Busan making it to 14 and Daegu to 16. And moving over to other places, Daejeon's mercury levels are expected to range from 1 to 13 degrees. Jeju has a similar daytime high in store. Dokdo makes it to 7 and Myeongkang to 3 degrees. Now, please take care of your health, everyone, with the temperature fluctuations and the dry air. And now it's time to go over to the weather in some major travel destinations for those outside of Korea. More clouds covering the sun in Beijing and Tokyo this Friday, while temperatures won't go through many changes. After a cooler day in Islamabad, things will warm up again and clouds will move out. Another day where you want to hide in the shade in Bangkok, especially due to extreme high UV levels. Port Moresby and Jakarta should be relatively calm this Friday, with just a chance of a few isolated thunderstorms. Down under, not that warm in Sydney and Melbourne, and even cooler in Wellington, which will be on the windy side. Very sunny in Vancouver, very cloudy in Montreal. Chicago, New York, and Washington, D.C. will have beautiful skies with temperatures in the double digits. If you're lucky, you can avoid stormy conditions in Rio de Janeiro, for there's just a slight chance of that to happen during the afternoon. Sao Paulo stays dry under partial cloud covers. Santiago and Buenos Aires stay sunny. Positive news from Moscow, which has a positive daytime high in store along with clear skies. London expects a few showers, and Berlin a mix of snow and rain, so it can get pretty slushy on the road, so please be careful. Rome and Madrid won't be spared from precipitation, but in Rome you should only need your umbrellas in the early hours. A mix of sun and clouds in much of Africa, whereas Cairo and Dakar should have nothing but sunshine. And that's the forecast for now. If it's wet where you are, try to stay dry. If it's dry where you are, try to stay hydrated.
That's Late Night Edition at this hour. I'm Sean Lim. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.